What is going on, people? Welcome back to another video on AJ5, and in today's video guys it's all about Terra Classic, which has not been pumping too much, but as you can see it's been moving in a positive direction over the last couple of days, especially here earlier last week. It did have quite a major pump in value, so we're going to be looking at, is it still a good investment? What is its next target? Is it going to keep going up in value slowly and steadily? Is it going to drop back down? Is it time to buy? Is it time to sell? Is it too late, or should you avoid it at all cost? Obviously, if you guys don't know what happened, obviously it did collapse earlier on in March, but yeah, that's essentially what I'm going to be going through today and giving you guys my prediction, my take on this crypto, looking at its next potential targets, so on and so on. And over the long run as well, is it ever going to recover? Is it ever going to go back to the 1 cent that everyone's talking about, or is it just dead? So before I get into all of that stuff, guys, if you're new to the channel and haven't subscribed yet, make sure to go down and smash the subscribe button, as well as like the video, as I'm trying to hit 100,000 subscribers by the end of the year. And if you guys can help me hit that target, I will be doing a cryptocurrency giveaway, which you guys can join by simply subscribing to the channel. And for a bonus entry, follow me on Instagram. Link to that will be in the description box down below. So as you can see in the last hour, let me just change this to USD before any of you guys get confused. So yeah, in the last hour itself, we managed to gain just about a percentage. Over the last day 2%, over the week 36%, and over the month another 37%. So yeah, overall, over the short term, over the monthly chart, it's looking all good, it's looking all positive, but obviously the yearly chart, it is down 100%. So going onto the CoinMarketCap website here, we can see the trading volume has gone down by 26% in the last 24 hours, making it just about $181 million, which is still a huge amount of money that is currently being traded on Terra Classic. Obviously, about a week ago when it was pumping up, this number here was over $1 billion. So yeah, it's gone down quite a bit, but yeah, a lot of people are still investing into it, changing, holding on to it at the moment, and so on and so on. So before I go any further, guys, just a little disclaimer: this is no financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. Anything I say is from my own prediction and my take on this crypto, and any gains or losses you guys make, I will not be responsible for. So let's get straight into it. On the screen right now, we do have the candlestick pattern chart, which I will not be using too much in this video because there's no point in doing a price prediction on it, only because when you look at the daily chart, is down, so it's been very volatile according to the chart. The chart, obviously the graph doesn't know that the news that's going on. It only predicts it on what's previously happened, on the historical data that it's got, and it doesn't have any more information on about do one and what's happened and so on and so on. So we are going to base it on the hourly chart, and obviously let me get the MACD indicator to do a quick price prediction on it. So zooming in here, we've got the blue line and the orange line are slightly looking bullish, going in a positive direction. It's not fully going in a bullish direction. It's not looking too steep at all. It is just about slanting towards the positive direction, meaning very minimal gains in value are expected over the coming days. So let's say towards the end of next week, and let's say by mid to late July, we should expect an overall increase in value on Terra Classic, but it's not going to be anything major. It's going to be very minimal increases in value. So yeah, don't expect too much from this crypto. Yes, we are going to see dips, we are going to see peaks. It's going to be quite volatile, just like how it's been over the last couple of hours, as you can see here. And that is exactly what's likely to carry on over the next few days and weeks as well, but slowly and steadily moving towards the positive direction. So Lunar Classic price prediction: will LUNC sideways market continue? So let's quickly have a look. What is Lunar Classic? We don't need to go through that, we've already gone through that in many videos previously. Today's 4% drop is a continuation of a recent sideways market, where each trading session has wiped out gains or losses made the previous day. The sideways market has lasted for almost a week and is highly likely to continue for the next few trading sessions, as I mentioned earlier on in the video. Therefore, I expect today's market losses to be wiped out in the next few trading sessions. I expect the price to continue trading within the 0.001 to 0.0016 support. Let's see what it's worth at the moment. 0.0012. Yes, so yes, they are correct at the moment. My sideways analysis will be only invalidated if price is trade outside the support and resistance level mentioned above. So this is the Lunar Classic daily chart, which I did show you guys in the video as well. So yeah, at the moment it is on target. It's performing like it's meant to, according to this news article, which is Investing Cube. So yeah, like they said, or like it's mentioned on this video, or on this article, sorry, if it does manage to go above or below the price target that they've mentioned, then yes, if it goes below, obviously that means it's going to completely drop in value. But if it goes above, that would be quite surprising, meaning we could see it go up in value. And it did hit that earlier on last week, so about on the 30th of last month, so 30th of June, this is when it literally hit that. But as soon as it hit, it dropped back down in value. So next time if we do hit that and manage to go above 0.00016, then yes, we may be moving in a positive direction. However, that is not expected anytime soon. LUNC signals impressive upwards trend when Bitcoin goes down further. So yes, Bitcoin has been going down last week. As you can see, the whole of last week has been hitting red candles every single day. LUNC price reignites upswing. This may be the trend for the upcoming week. Crypto investors are still not over the dramatic Terra Lunar crash. And why would they? After all, Terra investors globally lost billions of dollars when the algorithmic stablecoin project crashed, but now it seems like Terra Classic, a token of the Terra ecosystem, is making a comeback. Again, just because it pumped up about 150% doesn't mean that, yes, it's back up, is going to come back, so on and so on. Obviously, it's a very, very small percentage increase compared to how much it's dropped previously, and it's not even worth the 1 cent mark at the moment, so it's still got a long, long way to go if it does recover. Terra Classic, the original chain of the collapsed Terra Lunar ecosystem, continues to gain interest among investors, attracting significant capital inflows contrary to the general crypto market sentiments. As the crash was dramatic, many crypto experts anticipated that LUNC would go back to zero, but the token appears to be earning the support of its community. Not myself, I'm still holding on to it. I haven't bought more, I haven't sold it, I'm just going to be holding on to it, and I won't be buying anymore, only because of what's happened. I don't trust it for the long term, but I have seen other people, supporting it, investing into it, believing in it for the long run. Especially when things are not going great with major cryptocurrencies like Bitcoin, Ethereum, and more. The support is highlighted by the US $534 million that has flown into the network's market capitalization within the first 4 days, which was late last month. A lot of, as I mentioned earlier, the trading volume was about $1 billion, and they stated here that it's added another 434 million to make it $1 billion. On 26th of June, Terra Classic's market worth stood at $388 million, surging as high as $922 million by the 29th of June. So within a couple of days, a huge amount of money was invested into the crypto. Additionally, Finboard reported that Terra Classic holders surged over 500% in the month. On May the 9th, there were 1,642 holders, which grew to over 10,000 holders on the 5th of June, increasing it by over 500%. So what is Terra Lunar? We don't need to know that. We've already gone through that. And yeah, Terra Lunar background check, we don't need to do that. Do one controversy, we don't need to do that either, because I've covered that in my plenty videos previously. But yeah, so far, these are my updates, my takes on Terra Classic. And again, as I keep mentioning, just because it's pumped up in value, it doesn't mean it's recovered, it's fully back up and running. It can drop anytime, just like what's happened before. But you guys have asked for regular updates on Terra Classic, which I have been doing and I will be doing. So make sure you stay subscribed and turn on the bell notifications to get notified every time I upload. And on that note, I'm going to end the video here, guys. Thank you for watching, and a special thank you to every single one of you who have been subscribing, liking, commenting, and just supporting the channel in any way or form. So a huge thank you to you guys, and I'll catch all of you in my next crypto update, which should hopefully be later on today. Until then, take care and peace.